till the government decides so international flights will be kept on hold. उस पे क्या करना है?
See, Government of India took a step that they announced that from 15th of December international commercial operations will commence. But unfortunately, due to this new variant, now a decision has been taken that Government of India will decide later on about the date when international operations will take place. So far, the international commercial operations, scheduled operations, which were supposed to be starting from 15th of December, have been kept in abeyance by the Government of India. So we will have to wait the further directions in the matter. So it all depends if the new variant is causing serious damage or causing some serious problems. Whether passengers will come or not is very difficult for us to state. But we are geared up, so whatever protocol is brought in place, we'll follow that and we'll see to it that whatever best we can do for the state of Goa, we are always there to do that.
Sir, those countries are categorized as risk or non-risk, the charter flights from where they're supposed to fly, and whether any intimation has come from their side.
So far, they are not. None of those countries are under countries at risk. But you see, the order of Government of India is very clear on that. That this list is subject to revision. So Government of India is also monitoring the situation at their end, and there can be amendments depending upon the situation in those countries. They can be brought into risk in the list of the countries which are at risk. See, as far as if you see my previous deliberations with all of you or with the public also, I have always been of the opinion, yes, we have approved slots. We have as of now approved 27 slots. Some belong to SCAT Airlines, some belong to Astana Airlines, both are operating from Almaty. But it will simply depend what is the COVID situation, how COVID is going to take shape in the world around. So the slots we have given is, first slot has been given for 13th of December.